beginning that is long. Von Klitzing International Engineering Award. And this award goes to Harn Wei Kua. Is he here or sleeping? Singapore. Congratulations, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Oh, this is a big surprise for me. Either with or without award, I already feel so honored to be here, just because this is from FLOGEN, Stars Outreach, and I do not know you, Florian.
We never met.
After listening to you and after feeling the atmosphere of this event, I can say that this event basically embodies your belief, your passion, and I think to have an occasion like this where all of us from different fields come together to discuss how to solve world problems is amazing.
Thank you.
This award would not be possible without my students, my colleagues, and of course my family. They are here, but they are not in this room. So thank you very much for this big
Perfect.
and perfect.
Thank you. Congratulations. This is for the name. This. Oh, thank you. Let's see.